Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring a brand new stamp set called Snow is Glistening. It'll be available for customers November 1st, and it's while supplies last, so I hope you get yours as soon as possible. So I have a piece of Whisper White card here, and I have inked up my stamp with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. The stamp says, "Merry Christmas to you and peace on earth to all the world." I have inked up my snowflake with Balmy Blue and then tapped on Blueberry Bushel in the center of the snowflake. Isn't that gorgeous? These snowflakes are beautiful. All right, I'm doing that for all three snowflakes, and they are all different because every snowflake is different, don't you think? And of course, you can see that I have some paper next to me here. So this is Balmy Blue, and it's just 1/8 of an inch bigger as a mat, and then Blueberry Bushel, and behind that is Whisper White thick cardstock. Now, I am doing a class with this stamp set and die. It's not a bundle, but it is affordable. And if you're interested, please stop by my blog, sunstampin.com, and check out my online classes. So I'm adding a few rhinestones here and put a few more rhinestones just scattered around as well, to have that wintry feel. And that is my simple card for today. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.